Hey guys, I've got a new set of wheels for the Spitfire project.
And sadly, it's not going to be wire wheels like what I originally intended for the car. And the reason for that is because to get second-hand wire wheels with a nice bit of platina on it, the worry is there's going to be too much wear on the splines. And yeah, okay, you can find good second-hand wire wheels out there, but looking at brand new wire wheels for the Spitfire at the moment, you know, this car's quite well platinaed. It would be about £1,000. That would be taking money out of other areas of this car, doing stuff like sills and stuff like that. So for the time being, the wire wheels can wheel off.
So that only leaves me with two options really to replace these 1500 wheels with. So I could either go down the path of fitting a set of mini lights or any alloy wheels, or I could get an original set of steel wheels. Now these steel wheels, they need a little bit of work to bring them up to scratch. For starters, they should be white, not silver. But with a little bit of hard work and a rattle can, we should be able to get them looking nice. And you know, just to finish them off, we've got the hubcaps to go on as well.
turned out. You know, this is now 1960s wheels on a 1960s Spitfire. Couldn't get much better than that. Now I know I said I was originally going to put wire wheels on the car, but for 40 quid, the cans of spray paint and a bit of hard work, don't they just look fabulous? Anyway, I'll be interested in knowing what you guys think to the new wheels on the Spit. But for the time being, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, folks.